Now we straight away go for question number 6. We do 6 exactly as we have done question number 3. It is given that 1 is a 0. This 1 is a 0 of your given polynomial. Find the remaining zeros. Now we know that the number of zeros depends upon the order of the polynomial. So here your polynomial px, let's say that px is your polynomial. 7x minus x cubed minus 6 is your polynomial. Okay? So 7x minus x cubed minus 6 is your polynomial. It is not arranged. We have to arrange the polynomial in the order of their decreasing power. So we need to write minus x cubed plus, because this term minus x cubed is the term containing the highest power. So it has to be written first, followed by plus 7x and then minus 6. What is the order of this polynomial here? Order is 3. So how many zeros? It can have at the most 3 zeros. Already one of the 0 is given, so we need to find out the remaining 2 zeros. Okay? Yes. So it's given. It's given that 1 is a 0. 1 is a 0 of your polynomial. So what will be the factor that will be obtained? Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor. Okay? If 1 is a 0, then x minus 1 is a factor. Now we divide this given polynomial by x minus 1 and we obtain the other factors. Okay? So minus x cubed plus 7x minus 6 has to be divided by x minus 1. Always make the first term equal. X multiplied with which term gives you minus x cubed? Minus x squared gives you minus x cubed. Change the order of the sign. Now, minus 1 times minus x squared. Minus 1 times minus x squared plus x squared. This is not a term containing x squared. This is neither a term containing x squared. So we need to write minus into minus plus 1 into x squared plus x squared. Okay, we write here, change the order of the sign, and then we write down the remaining terms. This 7x is positive, this 6 is negative. Now see, this term contains the highest power. Okay, it is negative sign on it. This minus x squared is the term containing the highest power, right? So we need to write it in front. Alright. Now x into minus x into minus x squared. Make it positive, we can cancel out. Minus into minus plus 1 into x, 1x. Make it negative. 7 minus 1, 6, and x, right? And we have minus 6. Now x into 6, 6x. Change the order of the sign, we cancel out. Minus 1 into 6, minus 6. Change the order of the sign, we cancel out. So it's 0. So the remainder is 0. So the remaining zeros can be obtained from this quotient. X squared minus x plus 6. Okay. So in order to find out the remaining zeros, what do? We equate this particular polynomial to 0. Let minus x squared minus x plus 6 is 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation can be simplified by the process of splitting the middle term. Now, in order to do the process of splitting the middle term, usually the first term is kept positive. But here the first term means the term containing the highest power is negative. So we convert it into positive by multiplying both sides by negative sign. So multiply by negative sign. If you multiply by negative sign, then we have plus x squared plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x squared is 1, coefficient coefficient of x is also 1, constant term is minus 6. We multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant term. 1 times 6 is 6. Now we factorize 6 into 2 terms, whose sum or difference gives you the middle term 1. 2, 3 times is 6. We know that 3 minus 2 gives you 1. 2, 3 times is 6. So x squared, this positive as it is, instead of 1x, we write 3x minus 2x. Alright? And then minus 6 is 0. So x squared plus 3x plus minus 2x, and then minus 6 is 0, right? So there are 4 terms altogether. We take pairs. From the first pair, what is common? X. Then we have x plus 3, right? Now this is negative term, so you have to take negative here. From the last pair, what common can you take? 2 common. Then x minus then plus gives you minus 2, 3 times is 6. Now the terms in the bracket, we can take it as common. Okay, we take common of the term in the bracket. Then what do we have? X minus 2, right? So product of 2 terms is 0, means either first term is 0 or your second term is 0. So x would be equal to minus 3 here. X would be equal to 2. Therefore, the other 2 zeros are there for the other zeros, or the remaining zeros. The remaining zeros are minus 3 and... Is it alright?